To finance now, and the stock market closed lower. The All Ords down 100 points. Our dollar is buying 70 US cents. To petrol, the average price for unleaded petrol in Brisbane is $1.80. Diesel is $2.05. The average on the Gold Coast is the same for both unleaded and diesel.
Supermarkets are cracking down on self-serve checkout cheats with cameras hidden in the scanners, catching shoppers trying to get a cheaper ride. If your local store doesn't already have this AI technology, it soon will.
If you go down to the shops today, you're in for a big surprise.
Did you notice those cameras?
I didn't at all, no.
The Woolworths cameras are built into the scanner and they can detect exactly what you're putting through the self-serve checkout.
Big Brother is just constantly watching us all the time.
If you've claimed your scan is something else, say a cheaper item, you'll be pinged. The checkout cam takes a photo of the product, the attendant is summoned, and that photo pops up on screen.
I was like, yeah, it was weird.
Woolies has quietly rolled out the scanner cameras to 685 of its 1,000 stores, and soon all stores will have them. New overhead cameras are also being trialled in Sydney to crack down on self-serve cheats. Woolworths says it doesn't record or keep the vision. Coles uses checkout cameras at select stores too. Richie's IGA doesn't though. They have fewer self-serve checkouts and rely on staff to monitor transactions.
Always keep an eye on your 1 kg bag carrots, because the moment that becomes your #1 selling produce item, that means people are just scanning it through as 1 kg carrots when it could be any other more expensive produce.
Experts believe the big price difference between similar fruit and veg is increasing the number of self-serve broads.
Take, for example, a red capsicum. Right now, they can cost as much as 63% more a kilo than a green one, increasing the temptation to scam the scanners.
But those Woolies image recognition cameras can detect colours, so you'd be sprung. And while shoppers are divided, Melbourne grocery buyer Debbie Canty does have a point.
The food prices nowadays is high, but the more people steal and cheat the system, the higher they're going to go for all of us that work hard for what we've got.
Reid Butler, 9 News.
Well, time now for the full weather forecast with Gary Youngberry. Gaz, how long is this weather event going to last?
Well, Melissa, for the Central West, which will see the heaviest rain tomorrow, that will push through into Wednesday, but then that heavy rain will come here for the North Coast, Townsville through to Mackay. That'll last to the end of the working week, but still rain through until the weekend for southeast Queensland around Brisbane and the surrounding suburbs. Really won't see too much improvement until Sunday. So extensive rainfall event, and our rain gauges will be overflowing by the week's end. A little bit of a break in that rain here in Townsville at the moment. Let's have a look at temperatures across southeast Queensland, and much cooler due to those gusty southeasterly winds. In fact, they hit 80 kilometres per hour around Cape Morton, 50k in Toowoomba. Toowoomba only made it to 14 degrees today, 18 in Coolangatta, Archerfield, Brisbane and Greenbank, 19 in Caboolture and Redcliffe. The weather map: deepening troughs will draw in moisture and deliver widespread rain and thunderstorms for Queensland, particularly the central west tomorrow. Rain will also spread into northwest New South Wales. Interstate: sunny for Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne and Hobart, cloudy in Canberra, showers for Sydney. Now Queensland: cloudy and wet for Cairns, here in Townsville and Mackay, with the heaviest falls for Wednesday. Cloudy and wet for the Capricornia, Wide Bay, Burnett. Wet inland with rain and storms for Mount Isa. Heavy falls in Longreach with 100 millimetres plus. In the southeast, cloudy, scattered showers, the chance of a thunderstorm. Heavier falls for the Sunshine Coast and the northern suburbs. Temperatures ranging between 19 and 24 degrees. Moreton Bay: a strong wind warning, southeasterlies to 30 knots and the seas to 2.5 metres. Brisbane: cloudy with showers increasing in the afternoon, possible storms and a top of 23 degrees. 7-day outlook: heavy rain Wednesday, moderate to heavy falls Thursday and Friday, showers Saturday, shower or two Sunday. Ipswich: rain with heavy falls across Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, showers Saturday, shower or two Sunday. For the Goldie: cloudy, wet and windy Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, scattered showers Saturday, a few showers Sunday. And on the Sunshine Coast, heavy rain over Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, cloudy and wet Saturday, a shower or two hanging around into Sunday. So it should improve later into the weekend, but guys, I will have the latest early tomorrow morning on the Today Show with what's happening and overnight as well.
Thanks, Gary. And before we go, let's take a look at a story not to be missed on 9 News tomorrow night.
Queensland's beautiful one day, choking the next. Tens of thousands of Southerners moving here every year, pushing up house prices, taking rental properties and clogging our roads, schools and hospitals. So what's the plan to fix it?
From housing to health and the work commute.
Find out. 9 News tomorrow.
And that is 9 News Queensland for this evening. And Deborah Knight is next with a current affair.
Thanks for your company. Join us again tomorrow. For now, from all of us, good night.
Good night.